Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how we can install Wireshark on Rocky Linux. Now I have a terminal open on a Rocky Linux machine. We can quickly check the version here. I'll use the command cat etc os release. And the version is 10.0. So as you can see, this is Rocky Linux. The first thing you might want to do before you install Wireshark is to update your packages. You can use the command sudo dnf check update, and you have to put in your password. Okay, now the command to install Wireshark is going to be sudo dnf install Wireshark. Y for yes, Y for yes again, okay, so it's complete. We can do Wireshark hyphen version to check the version of Wireshark. If I scroll up, you see the version right here. So that verifies that we have Wireshark installed. Now by default, in order to capture network packets, root privileges are required. Now to give regular users the privileges to allow them to capture packets, there's a command we'll need to run. So it's a little long, let me type it in. So sudo set cap underscore net underscore row comma cap net underscore admin equals EIP bin dump cap. Now regular users should be able to capture packets using Wireshark. Now to run Wireshark, we just type Wireshark here in the terminal. And there is Wireshark, but if you look closely, you'll see that the interfaces that I can select in order to capture packets are not showing. That means you have to run the command using sudo command. So let's use sudo here. And now the interface should show. ENS 130 is the wired interface on this virtual machine, and I can actually see the packets here. With this interface selected, I can click on this icon right here to start capturing packets. And there you go, you're capturing packets. Now there's different tools available to us, different options, and you can also apply filters here. One of the quickest ways you can apply a filter is to select one of the packets here, then apply as a filter, selected, and it applies a filter for you. Now this one just says destination IP address is this one. You can also specify source, or you can say address. Now as you can see, when I'm typing it, if it's not correct, it doesn't change to green until it's correct. And then sometimes it also suggests for you what options you have as far as filters. So for instance, that's a filter. Click on that. So click on that, it's applied. So any packets that has that IP address will be shown. Once you're done with the capture, if you want to save it, you can go ahead and stop the capture. Go to file, and then here you have the option to save as. And if you haven't saved it, and if you try to close Wireshark, you have the option to save, or you can quit without saving. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Wireshark on Rocky Linux. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.